and lovely guys, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, this is a fantastic chicken which I marinated, some baked chicken. I marinated the baked chicken, and on this side I want to cook it today. I marinated it from a day before, put it in my fridge, and this is what's going to happen today. Alright, what I want to simply say to you guys, you can do the same thing at home. Marinate the chicken overnight. This is going to be a oven spicy baked chicken, and I'm telling you, it's as look at it, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, but what I want to do, I'm going to, because I never use oil on it, I'm going to be using some light fry oil, and I'm going to simply just spray it on top of the chicken like this. See that? That's exactly what I want to do. I'm using the light fry oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be baking this for roughly 35 to 40 minutes in my oven, and I'm using a electric oven. So basically I have it on 175 or 165. If you're using gas mark, use gas mark 5 or 6, which is very good. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo. So stay tuned. Nice and lovely guys, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Long time. I'm gonna do some roast potato, beautiful potato, and I'm gonna show you how I roast my potato when I'm at home sometime. Basically, a lot of people like to use oil, olive oil, and some people like to use the spray oil. Is your option, you know what I mean, what you want to use on the potato. But the secret is to put your potato in the oven with some garlic, with some oil, and then you roast off your potato. But I'm gonna do it an easier way for you guys. So these are the potato them which I just simple pre-boil them off, remove the skin, cut them up into dices, and cook them off for a nice good 10 to 15 minutes. So you don't make them overcook, you know, because you make mashed potato. So I'm gonna pour off the water, and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to roast these nice, lovely, beautiful potato. You can do them for a roast dinner or whenever you like to have them. Alright, stay tuned. Lovely. So basically I just pour off the water, as you can see. Pour off that boiling water. So now I'm gonna show you how the beautiful way you can roast your potato at home. Nice. So basically have a tray like this. You know what I mean? Normally if I'm gonna do it the other way, I would put some oil in it and then, you know what I mean, put it in the oven and hot it for about 10 minutes. But I'm gonna do it an easier way for you. You don't have to stress yourself. Alright. Pour in your potato like this. As you can see, that's the potato. And we're gonna put some mixed herb. That's some mixed herb. This is some pepper. And some sea salt. Is a must. Alright, what I'm gonna do now is put some of your favorite on it. This is some garlic. I'm gonna put some garlic on it like this. That's a 3 cloves of garlic, not much. The next thing, I have some sweet potato. I'm gonna roast off it, so inside of it. No. I'm gonna roast off 2 carrots. Alright, just gonna roast off everything together like that. So what I'm gonna do, normally I use light fry oil, but today I'm just gonna pop a little bit of olive oil on it, not much, you know what I mean, just a tiny little bit of olive oil. You don't need to use a lot, just use a tiny little bit, guys, honestly, because, you know, yeah. So we're gonna roast this off in for roughly about 45 minutes on a medium sized heat. And now we're gonna roast it off on a high temperature, put it on a high temperature, and then we're gonna turn on the oven after. All right. So basically, if you're using any kind of oven, electric, gas, whatever, put it on a high temperature, and then we're gonna turn on the oven after. I'll let you guys talk it through as it goes by. All right. Lovely. Just take it from the oven. Look at that. Really amazing. You know, really fantastic and nice. So enjoy it, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. So we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. Lovely and nice. That's the chicken. See? Look at that. Fantastic and nice. And lovely. Alright. Let's plate up a nice bowl out of this. Alright guys. So gonna do a nice double plate out of this roast potato. Look at that. One. Amazing. That is beautiful and nice. So please enjoy it and subscribe and click the notification bell. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming for you and your team. Chef Ricardo will be making a lot more recipe like this for you. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the notification bell, and this recipe you can make it for your Sunday dinner or during the week. See you next time. Bye bye. I was born and grew up in Jamaica. I grew up with my grandma and my dad and my mom, and they're the one who inspired me to be a chef. And now I serve a purpose in this world. The purpose is for me to share the beautiful Caribbean dishes to the world.